Are you looking for a way to make some extra money? Discover how to start getting paid instantly for taking surveys or playing games online. See how everyday people like you are making hundreds of dollars a month just by completing simple tasks from the comfort of their own homes. Learn the secrets to unlocking your financial freedom today with this easy and fun way to get paid. Just watch the video all the way through and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Now, let's get started. I have an exciting opportunity for you to get paid instantly for taking surveys or playing games. Cash Baron is one of the highest paying apps. Earn up to $100 with a single offer or take quick and easy surveys on the go. With Cash Baron, you are at the forefront of making money online. Cash Baron offers you many ways to earn money online. You choose which task you want to tackle and which reward to grab. You can earn money by playing your favorite games. Paid surveys, answer short and sweet market research surveys, and get rewarded for your opinion. Earn easy money and gift cards with surveys on the go. Friend referrals. If you refer a friend and they start using Cash Baron, you get bonus rewards based on how much they earn. Refer enough friends and you will start making money in your sleep without having to do anything. Cash Baron offers you a wide selection of payout options, such as PayPal Cash, Amazon gift cards, Xbox gift cards, many more gift cards depending on your country, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and many more, coming soon. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up, comment saying, I like it. Don't forget to share it with your friends, and check out also other videos for more making money methods. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more videos like this one.